Kidney disease, silent killer na walang symptoms until late stage na. Base sa medical studies, 90% ng kidney function ay pwedeng mawala bago pa man kayo makaramdam ng symptoms. Kaya nga tinatawag na silent killer ang chronic kidney disease. Kasi hindi nyo alam na yung mga normal na nararamdaman ninyo ay early signs na pala ng kidney problems. Ako po si Neil Brian Gave at welcome po sa Nurse Brain. At ipapakita ko sa inyo ang tatlong subtle signs ng kidney disease. Una, changes sa urine. Foamy urine, dugo sa ihi. Frequent urination, especially at night. Lahat yan ay early signs na hindi napapansin ng karamihan. Pero mas subtle pa yung physical changes. Pangalawa, fatigue at swelling. Pagod na hindi nawawala, swollen feet at ankles, puffy eyes, kidney na hindi nakaka-filter ng toxins properly. Pero yung pinaka-dangerous na stage. Pangatlo, advanced symptoms. Nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, difficulty of breathing. Kapag lumabas na to, end-stage kidney disease na. Dialysis o transplant na lang ang option. Remember, regular kidney function tests, control diabetes at hypertension, healthy lifestyle. Early detection saves kidneys and saves lives.